Hello everyone, welcome back to Inside His Lab. Here we discuss data analytics, machine learning, SQL, Power BI, Python and Excel in simple and practical way. As we have started our new series to learn Microsoft Power BI from basic till the advanced part of it. So in this series, we are not only going to learn Microsoft Power BI, but this series will help you to crack your PL300 examination as well. So in this video, we are going to see how to install Power BI to your local machine. Again, there are two different approaches to install or download Power BI to your local machine. We are going to cover both of them. So let's try to see the first scenario or first approach to install Power BI. So first of all, go to your Google, search for the Microsoft Power BI. You will get different tabs or different website. Go to the download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official. It is the official website given by the Microsoft to download Power BI. You will get two options here. First one, to select the language you want. So by default, I will select English and then click on download. It will start your downloading. If you want to explore more about the Power BI, so here the version you are downloading, so related to that they have given the detail, version number they have given, what will be the file format, that is exe, it means that executable file will be there, what was the last published day and what will be the size of that particular file. Then also they have given the just summary about the Microsoft Power BI, and if you want to understand what will be the system requirement to install Power BI, so at least you should have Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system to your local machine to install Microsoft Power BI. So I will go to the download section to check the progress of the download. So see, here it is downloading. Now you can see download has completed. I will double click on the same file which we have downloaded just now. So see, after clicking on that particular executable file, it has opened this tab. So here select the language. So I will select English, then click on next. It will take some time based on your system configuration to install Microsoft Power BI to your local machine. It has started preparing to install. It means that it has started installing. Now you will able to see this next tab is, earlier it was grayed out, now it is enabled. So click on next. Now check this agreement, or you can read this agreement as well before checking it. Then click on next. Then you can change this directory, but I will keep it as it is, and I will recommend you to keep as it is, as it has given. Click on next. Click on install. Now see, installing Microsoft Power BI desktop. So it has started installing to your local machine. Now here, whatever the time it will take to install, that will be completely dependent on your system configuration. After this process, you will get this tab, then click on finish. Now see, we are able to install Microsoft Power BI in our case. If I open this, now this is the simple interface of Microsoft Power BI. Another way to install Microsoft Power BI, let's try to see that one as well. Just search for Microsoft Store, open it, and now here search for Microsoft Power BI. Now here you can see Power BI desktop is there. Just click on that, and now simply click on install. It will start installing for the Microsoft Power BI to your machine. So these are the two different approaches to install Microsoft Power BI to your local machine. Now we have successfully installed Microsoft Power BI to our local machine. Now from the next session, we are going to start with the hands-on implementation. So stay tuned to this series. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next.